Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down an essential part of every trader's journey, and that is the Forex trading sessions. All right. Okay, so now the Forex market runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. But that doesn't mean every hour is equal. All right. Some hours are slow and quiet, while others are fast and full of opportunity. So, now to trade smarter, you need to understand when the market is most active, and that all comes down to Forex trading sessions. So there are four major Forex trading sessions that you need to know. All right. So we have the Sydney session. All right. We have the Tokyo session. We have the London session, and we have the New York session. All right, you can see that every trading day has these four sessions, right? Usually starts with Sydney and then proceeds to Tokyo and then London and then New York, and then the cycle starts again: Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York, Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York, and so on and so forth. Now, each one represents a different region of the world, and each one has unique trading conditions that shape the market. Let us start with the Sydney session, shall we? Now, the Sydney session is where the trading day begins. Okay? It's generally quieter compared to other sessions with smaller movements and less volatility. Okay? But it sets the tone for what is coming next. Traders who want to ease into the market often look at the Sydney session. All right. And then next comes the Tokyo. This session, that's the Tokyo session, overlaps with the Sydney session, as you can see. The Sydney starts here. The Tokyo starts many hours before the Sydney even ends, right? So the Tokyo session usually overlaps with the Sydney, right? The Tokyo session usually overlaps with the Sydney, and it is the heart of the Asian markets. So if you are trading yen pairs or currencies tied to the Asian economy, this is the time to watch the Tokyo session. All right. Movements here can be strong and clear, especially when important news comes out of Japan or other Asian countries. Next, let us move to the London session. This is the most active session in the Forex market. All right, London is the world's financial hub, and this is where major moves usually happen. Okay, economic news from Europe is released during this time, and traders across the globe are paying attention, right? So if you want volatility and movement, the London session is where it is at. After London, we move into the New York session. Now, this one overlaps with London for several hours, right? You can see the overlap here. You can see the overlap here, right? So the New York session always overlaps with the London for several hours, okay? And together, they create the most liquid and active trading period of the day. The US dollar is the most traded currency in the world. And with major US economic reports released during this time, you'll often see sharp market moves. Many traders focus on the overlap between the London and the New York sessions because it offers the most opportunity. Now, it is important to understand the rhythm of these sessions. Okay? The Sydney and the Tokyo, they are calmer, right? The Sydney session and the Tokyo sessions, which form the Asian sessions, are usually calmer, providing steadier moves. While the London and the New York sessions are faster and more volatile. Okay, so knowing these differences helps you choose when to trade depending on your strategy. So if you're a kind of trader that prefers trading during calm uh, sessions, you prefer a calm environment for your trading, then you might want to focus on the Sydney and Tokyo sessions, right? But if you are a kind of trader that loves volatility, then you want to focus on the London and New York session with emphasis on the overlap between the London and the New York sessions. Okay? So, timing is everything in Forex. You don't need to chase every market move. Instead, you should focus on aligning your trading plan with the hours that fit your approach. Right? The right timing makes all the difference in consistency and decision making. So you should not neglect timing. You should not neglect Forex trading sessions. If you have not been the type to consider sessions at all in your trading career, then you might want to start considering that, because it can have an impact on, your psychology, or probably your mental state. Because imagine if you are a kind of trader that loves to trade volatile markets, but due to the nature of your day-to-day activities, you always find yourself trading during the Asian session. Do you see that it's going to have an impact on you? Because you are looking for fast moving markets, but you always find yourself trading during Asian sessions. So in such a situation, what do you think is the right thing to do? Is it not to try to schedule your activities in such a way that you will be trading during the New York and London sessions instead of trading during the Asian sessions? So you should always try to trade during the times of the day that best suits your trading style. All right. So if this breakdown of Forex trading sessions was helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss any of the daily videos designed to help you understand the market better. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.